Hello modern people, welcome to another YouTube video for the Habanero Architecture YouTube channel. Today we're going to be tackling the topic, a very daunting one, why hire an architect? It's a very broad video series, so I have decided to tackle it in various parts. So in the next upcoming months, expect to see a couple more of these, just trying to illustrate what is it that an architect do and has to offer. Today we're going to be answering a very simple question, just to give you a preamble of what the series is going to be about. Today we're going to be deciphering, do I need an architect at all in a practical sense? In the state of North Carolina, because that's where I'm licensed immediately, anything that is commercial, what is commercial? Anything that is not residential. What is residential? Vis-a-vis anything that is not commercial. So in the state of North Carolina, anything that is commercial, yes, you're gonna need an architect to seal your drawings, therefore architect services. No, if it's residential. Now, depending on the state, there's gonna be some overlaps on this yes and no answer, but in simple terms, anything that is commercial, yes. Anything that is residential, no. However, if you have $90,000 or 2,500 square foot worth of scope of work, or a combination of the two, then you're not gonna need an architect to be involved. Now, in residential, if you have 8 units or more, residential units, that is, say, a multifamily, series of duplexes, etc., then you are going to need an architect to be involved and seal those drawings. The reason being, architects, before design, we have an obligation to the public, and they issue licenses to protect the public from health and welfare. So anything that it's public, where you have the public dwell within the building, we have social responsibility, a civil responsibility to issue seal drawings to allow the permit use of these design spaces. Anything that is residential under 8 units in the state of North Carolina, that is not required to have an architect involved. Now, is it always a good idea, regardless of yes or no you need it by practical standards? Absolutely. Architects, they add a lot of value, and that's the reason why we're having this series of videos to illustrate what is it that we do best. So I'm offering the 3 best whys, reasons why I always tell my clients that an architect is always a good option. Reason number 1, it's just better design. You know, bottom line, better design. You can right away scope, this was done by an architect, look at the quality of the space versus this is an okay space. Now, can your friend, your cousin do a good design? They can. They maybe has a good eye. A builder, likewise, but an architect is trained, majority of instances anyway, is trained to have an eye for that. We excel for being creative creatures and to solve problems by the use of creativity, and therefore translating into beautiful, functional buildings. Reason number 2 is that we're always on the owner's side. We are the owner's agents and representatives throughout the process. During the planning, design, and even during the construction administration phases, we're there for the client. We're going to advise and we're going to protect you and your project's quality. That leads us to the 3rd reason. We save you time, we save you money, therefore we save you headaches. Now sure, if you're not required to have an architect, you can do it yourself. However, we are experts in our matter. We not only design, but we're also aware of the local circumstances. We have a network of people. We know code. And within this very overwhelming process, we excel in doing what we do best, which is designing and planning. And as I said before, and I'm always going to say, it's never too soon to start planning on your project. Please call us, contact us, follow us on social media, leave a comment down below on our YouTube channel. We'll be more than glad to assist you. So let's go.